I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite tire shines that I haven't really seen a single person talk about online, YouTube or otherwise. It's called UV2 and it's from Hollander Products. Now, it's not water-based. YouTube detailers love to preach how you should only use water-based products for your tires, and that's just not true in every situation. The biggest appeal to a water-based dressing is that it's incredibly safe for rubber, trim, and plastics, but it's usually not going to last incredibly long. Of course, there are exceptions. What was and still is my go-to in many situations is Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, which is water-based, but it just does not really last as long as this. Most customers that I take care of don't know the first thing about water-based, silicone-based, petroleum-based, etc. Of course, I do make it part of my job to educate the customers that are interested in being educated, but the simple fact is that a lot of them just don't care. When you leave their house and it's time for them to clean their own car, they're probably going to use Armor All and Dawn dish soap. Of course, I don't mean literally every customer, but those are the customers I'm talking about. All they care about is that the tire looks nice, and the longer lasting the better. That's where a product like this comes in. It's become my go-to for these types of jobs where the customer just wants a clean car, maybe to sell, or maybe it's a fleet job for a bunch of business vehicles and they just don't really care. Now, with all that being said, it still is a good product. They claim that it cleans, conditions, and protects all plastic, rubber, and leather surfaces. I certainly wouldn't call this a cleaner by any means. If you're going to use this, I still recommend cleaning your tires like normal. As far as all of the other uses that it advertises, I would personally stick to using this just on tires and possibly plastic trim on the vehicle. I certainly would not use this on any vinyl or leather on the interior just because of the silicone feeling you get from it. I'm sure there are people that don't mind that, and for those people I say have at it. I just don't personally enjoy it. If you do decide to use it on the interior, it is what I'd call a high gloss, which again I'm personally not a fan of, but there are definitely people that do prefer that. It does claim to be anti-static and bead water. Now, a bottle of this stuff is going to set you back roughly $5, which is incredible, honestly. You can probably get roughly 30 or so vehicles with just one bottle. In conclusion, this likely won't replace your favorite tire shine, but at roughly $5 a bottle, it's without a doubt worth the money and worth adding to your setup, if for no other reason than to appease the less needy clients. We're going to be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to like and leave a comment, as it really does help YouTube push out our videos to more people.